My name is Chandni Chaudhary. For a full disclosure, right now I'm a student of MBA. This is my last semester in FMS Delhi. I'm a class
And
of
this is a
2026.
regular MBA, not the evening MBA
Yeah,
meant
this is
for
a
working people.
full-time MBA, not a executive MBA. Full-time MBA it is.
Mm,
And before
mm,
that, I was a lawyer. I passed out in 2022 and I joined FMS in 24. So the 2 year of journey I will be like describing for you. Before doing law, I did not do a integrated degree. I did a normal bachelor. So I did my bachelor's in political science from Ramjas College and then went to Faculty of Law. So I had an opportunity to join an internship also of 6 months, which I
mhm.
did, and that 6 month really changed my life. I will say. Uh, I was like skeptical. It's not even a full-time experience. It's an internship. I'm not being paid well. I don't deserve it. I think I can do much better.
Mhm.
And as you already mentioned, that I even went for KBC. It's like a hot seat, and it was a great opportunity for me also to meet Amitabh sir, to understand what goes behind the camera. I love studying. That is something I really appreciate about me. That if I have an interest in something, I will go very deep into it. Because if you see my 10th grade also, I
Mhm.
did pretty good in social science. I
Mhm.
pretty in Hindi, English. But the
Mhm.
portion which I got grace marks is science and mathematics. So that how it became a 10 CGPA. People might say go
Mhm.
10 CGPA. I still consider it as 9 only because due to my extracurricular activities, I was given a grace marks also. That's how CBSE works. Coming to the journey, how I prepared for it.
Mhm.
So verbal ability and reasoning comprehension, I say since I was from a background of humanities, I thought I will pretty much ace that thing. I don't need to do much. So one thing I want to suggest to people, don't do anything, don't prepare anything, just understand the pattern, what the pattern is, take one random test paper or a mock, you say it, and attempt it without any help. No GPT, no Google, nothing. From don't even look at what they're asking. I should understand from Google first. Don't do it. My only advice, if you're preparing for CAT, stick to one source. आप एक ही यूट्यूब चैनल से पढ़ें, आप एक ही बुक से पढ़ें, आप खुद से अपने अजम्पशन की मेरा दोस्त इस बुक से पढ़ रहा है, मैंने उससे पढ़ लिया, वो सर बहुत अच्छे पढ़ा रहे हैं, उनकी वीडियोस
कंफ्यूजन
मुझे
और
लगा।
ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है।
हाँ, आपका जो एक पैटर्न रहेगा ना, एक फ्लो रहेगा समझने का चीजें, आप वो नहीं समझ पाओगे।
आप क्या करना चाहते हो आगे?
सी आई विल लव टू जॉइन कॉर्पोरेट since placement are going around and all.
हम्म।
So I
हम्म।
will like to work for a company.
हम्म।
I was working on a social startup also. Like since a
हम्म।
lot of people have helped me in my journey, I will
हम्म।
like to give it back to the society. I have an idea since kindness don't go waste. If you help someone today, something will come back to you for sure. Thank you so much, first of all, for the opportunity because I personally feel that I should address these kind of things because miracle can happen anytime, at any point. I will say that, and I was not a firm believer of some sort of a manifestation. I will say, when before starting my intro for you, I will just like to put out forward one thing. I
हम्म।
was doing an internship which was not paid well enough since it was a government internship, and I used to be like, why do I deserve this? I should not do this, right? I mean, like, I think I can do better. And since that was for a brief period of 6 months, and I was manifesting altogether, I will get into FMS. I will get into FMS. Anyhow, I will get into FMS because that is my calling. I should be doing that. And since I think that was a 6 month period that really helped with my manifestation, because when I used to have lot of self doubt talking to people altogether saying your profile don't match. I mean, from law to MBA doesn't go well. People, I mean, like they give you such kind of a theories, right? So that is
Right.
how. So starting with you, that my name is Chandni Chaudhary. For a full disclosure, right now I'm a student of MBA. This is my last semester in FMS Delhi. I'm a class
And
of
this is a
2026.
regular MBA, not the evening MBA
Yeah,
meant
this is
for
a
working people.
full-time MBA, not a executive MBA. Full-time MBA it is.
Mm,
And before
mm,
that, I was a lawyer. I passed out in 2022 and I joined FMS in 24. So that 2 year of journey, I will be like describing for you. Before doing law, I did not do an integrated degree. I did a normal bachelor. So I did my bachelor's in political science from Ramjas College and then went to Faculty of Law and then came to FMS. It's like a golden triangle for me. So
wow.
because they are
Nicely put it.
nearby only altogether.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
And
हाँ।
if you ask in terms of professional experience, I hold a 1 year of
हम्म।
professional experience working as an
हम्म।
analyst in Vimsai Trading Private Limited, where I was managing investment portfolio and client relations So it was a mix of a sale investment altogether. And I was a
Mhm.
summer intern in Axis Bank from my college, where I was working on the so-called idea of AI transformation in the organization. And before that, since my degree was due because of COVID, so I had an opportunity to join an internship also of 6 months, which I
Mhm.
did. And that 6 month really changed my life, I will say. Uh, I was like skeptical. It's not even a full-time experience. It's an internship. I'm not being paid well. I don't deserve it. I think I can do much better. So that was my whole idea. And if you ask in terms of academic, I have been a
Mhm.
quite a pretty average kind of a child. I am not like a extraordinary. But since I personally believe if you work very hard, if you know your goals, that is something
Mhm.
I need to put forward to people also. If you know what you want in your life, you will surely succeed in that manner. I was a DUSU Cultural Secretary, Delhi student, Delhi University Student Union.
Mhm.
And as you already mentioned that I even went for KBC, at like a hot seat. And it was a great, I mean, a great opportunity for me also to meet Amitabh sir, to understand what goes behind the camera actually. I
Mhm.
always see it
Mhm.
on the like upfront
This
thinking, oh,
this happened
is it?
in which year?
It happened last year. My episode was telecasted yesterday, 22nd Feb, and it's
Oh
exactly 1 year
wow!
so far.
Many congratulations.
It's like 1 year, so we are doing it
Mhm.
now.
Mhm.
And that was a pretty exciting, and that I will say, even my episode was supposed to be scheduled earlier, but it came as a number 139, which is a prime number, I will say. 139 episode, and it was
Mhm.
season 16. So I had
Mhm.
an opportunity to convey to the world what I'm looking forward. See, I believe in giving and taking all together. And even if you see the episode also, I have always talked about how people have helped me all together. There might be some certain instance where people might not feel, because see, even they might not be well aware that they can motivate you, right?
Mhm.
So we should not take it in a manner that okay, he said something, उसने ऐसा बोल दिया, उसने ऐसा कर दिया, आई एम नॉट हैप्पी विद दैट, उसने बोल दिया तेरी
Mhm.
प्रोफाइल ही बेकार है, या तुझे कुछ आता ही नहीं है, तुझे तो मार्केटिंग में जाना है, तूने तो इन्वेस्टमेंट की हुई है. Maybe they have also experienced similar kind of a thing. I think
Mhm.
what person should take from that is okay, maybe not the right person, I
Mhm.
should switch to next person altogether, right? Maybe
Mhm.
that person can help me better understand it, because out of like 10 people at least you will find a one person that will truly believe in you, and that one person has to be you yourself.
Oh
that
wow.
that you believe in yourself, you believe in your goal. I have been
Mhm.
watching KBC. I mean, who don't watch KBC? I will like tell it.
Mhm.
And
सही
I
बात है, who
tried
doesn't?
numerous time altogether. Never happened with me. And it happened when I was having the best time of my life. Coming into FMS, that was the
Mhm.
toughest thing to get together.
Mhm.
And then I got an opportunity to go over there. Then I won some case competition, and things gradually changed for me. So that is, I think, you should not be. That is the simple advice I will say. If you believe you're meant for something, you're meant for something. Just be like that. Maybe it could be your day might not be on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It might come on Sunday, but it will surely come on Sunday. That's the max a person can say some to someone. So people
हाँ.
should technically believe in themselves. I mean like
Mhm.
I would have never imagined myself, because
Mhm.
when I was doing my I did pretty well in my 10th. Okay, I have a 10
Mhm.
CGPA, so people have those
So
expectations,
you
right?
said average. You said average in academics. I
I
was
mean,
about to ask that what is that average for you? Like.
okay. See, I love studying. That is something I really appreciate about me. That if I have an
Mhm.
interest in something, I will go very deep into it. Because if
Mhm.
you see my 10th grade also, I
Mhm.
did pretty good in social science. I
Mhm.
pretty good pretty in Hindi, English. But the
Mhm.
portion which I got grace marks is science and mathematics. So that's how it became a 10 CGPA. People might say, go 10
Mhm.
CGPA. I still consider it as 9 only, because due to my extracurricular activities, I was given a grace marks also. That's how CBSE works.
Mhm.
So my science and maths portion is something a grace. I would have scored a 9, not a 10 over there.
So how did you manage CAT then? Because बहुत सारे students बोलते हैं when they go for CAT कि मैथ्स वीक है तो उनको वो चीज इशू आता है तो हम उस पे भी आएंगे because I really want to understand how did you prepare for that phase then?
Yeah, that is, we will talk about it, I'm sure. So
Mm-hmm.
that's what I'm saying. See, I had always had interest in social science. I
Mm-hmm.
wanted to know about world, how geography works around, how people even interact, be it sociology, be it geographical, how political international relation works out. And then I went for humanities. That was a really heartbreaking, like, felt very bad in a family. I will say everyone doing engineering, and you are saying, I will do law, huh? I think I'm well suited for law. That how it happened, and I still thanks my star that I chose what I wanted to read. It's
Mm-hmm.
not like I was not. People keep on saying, "Do you regret you have not chosen science?" Because since you were able to manage cat in the first attempt, that is something very magical. I did it in the first attempt, and I got through in the first attempt.
Wow. So
That's what
what's your percentile like?
I got 98 percentile.
Wow. So you are 10 CGPA in 10th. You have got how much in 12th you said?
I got 93.8.
Okay. And then after that you did one bachelor, which is in political science. You did
Science
another
and
LLB. Then you worked for 2 years in several companies for internship and all that. You side by side prepare for CAT and then you made it in the first attempt with 98%. Wow.
I see, since you understand, let's say I we see lot of meme coming all together saying people कि कल से resign कर दूंगा या company switch कर लूंगा या resume update कर दूंगा, right? You see
हाँ
that?
हाँ हाँ हाँ
So then
हाँ हाँ।
people, if people have understood their calling that this company is not well suited for me or this is not why I want it. Like I understand people will have their reservations going in certain
Mhm,
company since it's the starting or a
mhm,
beginning of a career. But I will
mhm,
say you can be choosy at the starting in your life, okay? That
mhm,
is something I feel little off with people since they you might not have 100 choice, but since I was telling you the same thing ki, if you know what you want, it will eventually come to you, right? I worked in internship which was illegal. I worked in investment which was no way related to that. Since people
mhm,
have their reservations, say they want to add something to their resume, right? That is
mhm,
I went on for that. And when I joined that investment firm, I was always aware that I will go for cat. I have no matters if I have to do investment, I should do it from top tier level, not from the bottom.
mhm,
Since I have made up my mind in a similar manner, so if you like something or if you feel like that, okay, since I have experience in sales or I have experience in investment or a product, but I am doing it on an entry level,
mhm.
then do it from the top level, I will say. That was my idea of doing it. So I said, ki,
Wow.
if I have to do investment, why be an analyst? Why not a mid manager? Why not aim
Mm.
for higher?
Right,
So
right, right. So how did you manage? Like, I'm sure you must also be getting a lot of questions around it, that how do you prepare well while doing, your job or full time or internship? Number one. Number two, they also ask like, what does FMS, respect the most? What does FMS look at in the candidate? And third is, did you also try for IIMs? So these are three things I wanted to understand.
since I was pretty clear in my mind, I being a humanities background, you always have that thing in your mind. Now, I might not be able to afford 40 lakh loan, right? I might not
Mm-hmm.
be able to, since I'm not a very well versed sort of a person with, let's say, maths and science. I'm telling you, I got a grace kind of a thing. And
Mm-hmm.
then I went to lot of let's say YouTube channels and all, understood first.
Mm-hmm.
Because see,
Mm-hmm.
first a thing is you have to build your understanding. कि what is
Mm-hmm.
cat? Where I for
Mm-hmm.
me the general meaning was a बिल्ली. Cat मतलब बिल्ली होती है. C for
Mm-hmm.
cat, okay. But then I was like अच्छा ऐसा भी नहीं है, cat कुछ और भी हो सकता है, right?
Mm-hmm.
So then I went over there, then understood what is exactly CAT, what they look around. So what are different section like VARC is there, then DILR is there, and then if you go for quantitative amplitude is there. So you have to
Mm-hmm.
understand that कि, okay, these are the three things I have to ace all together, right? I
Mm-hmm.
don't have to do any other thing. आई डिड दिस, मेरा लाइफ सेट है, मैंने इन तीनों में कुछ कर लिया,
हाँ
तो
जी
आई विल बी वेल ऑफ, राइट? तो
जी
फर्स्ट थिंग people start thinking ki whether I will get a call, whether I will be able to make to IIM, whether I will be going to Blackie, whether I will be able to go to FMS, because FMS is also something people really inspire to come together, right?
mm-hmm.
After I will, like lot of people I in my college also have left ABC to come into FMS, right?
I
I
can
was also
relate
one
to
of
them
them.
because yeah, this is a very logical thing to
I mean,
do.
since I let's say I would say if I have gotten into Ahmedabad, any day I would have left FMS. But since my star was not that great, I did not even get a call from Ahmedabad. So that is, and I got call from every college, be it Bangalore, be it Kolkata, be it Kozhikode, Indore, any baby IIMs. Baby IIMs have a cumulative kind of an interview, so they give it rolling basis on that. So that is something you keep it things like this. Either I will go to Ahmedabad or either I will go to FMS. It's okay. You did not get Ahmedabad. FMS is still there for you, right? So people should always have that kind of a thing. You should not be like मैं ब्रेक ले लेता हूँ मैं दोबारा प्रिपेयर करूंगा ठीक है आई न्यू the kind of attempts, the kind of preparation I had, that was the best I could score 98 percentile being from a non-engineering background.
Mhm.
So I thought this is my shot. I will give my best in that. And fortunately, I was able to convert Bangalore. I am Bangalore. So I have to leave Bangalore for FMS, but I don't regret that decision. I love my life in FMS. I have been in that university, so familiarity is also something I was looking forward. And
Mhm.
who don't want their MBA to get in like 2 lakhs?
Mhm.
And if you, again come choice like 40 or 2, any
Uh-huh.
day a person will go for 2 if provide
Mhm.
a similar level of understanding and being in a capital city.
Mhm. Mhm.
So that was it. And coming to the journey, how I prepared for it.
Mhm.
So verbal ability and reasoning comprehension, I say, I since I was from a background of humanities, I thought I will pretty much ace that thing. I don't need to do much. So one thing I want to suggest to people, don't do anything, don't prepare anything. Just understand the pattern. What's the pattern is? Take one random test paper or a mock, you say it, and attempt it without any help. No GPT, no Google, nothing from. Don't even look at what they're asking. I should understand from Google first. Don't do it. Attempt it, you will understand, because I feel CAT is sometimes a reasonable sort of a paper as well, a test to give. It tests your mental ability, it tests how you perform, how you think. There might be different ways, because I read mathematics from a very different perspective. Okay, in my 10th I was memorizing mathematics. I was
Like most
understanding
of
कि
us.
टिग्नोमेट्री में ये आ रहा है तो इसके सामने कॉस लग जाएगा, इसके सामने नीचे ये आता है. So it was a direction sort of a flow I was doing it. So one simple advice, if you're thinking to prepare for CAT, it will not take more than 6 months. Very rigorously you're preparing if you're from a
बहुत सारे लोग
non-engineering
दो दो
background.
तीन तीन साल से अटेम्प्ट कर रहा है, तो आपको क्या लगता है उनको छोड़ देना चाहिए या उनको लगे
I
रहना
think,
चाहिए?
see, there could be two reasons of either it's a
हम्म.
skill based issue, either it's a will
हम्म.
based issue.
हम्म.
कोई 2-3 साल से कर रहा है, या तो उसका मन नहीं है या वो अच्छे से
हम्म.
तैयारी नहीं कर रहा है. These are the two only things, right?
हम्म.
One is skill, either you're lacking skills, so skills can always be developed.
हम्म.
Either it is your will only कि आप नाम के लिए दिए जा रहे हो कि कभी तो निकल जाएगा, कभी तो भगवान मेहरबानी करेगा. It doesn't happen like that, right? You
Perfect.
have to think of lot of things all together. So
हम्म.
that is the only thing. If someone has taken 2 year, 3 year, I will again tell them the same thing. Sit,
हम्म.
attempt a mock without any help, just with the knowledge you have right now.
हम्म.
Check the scores,
हम्म.
check where you went wrong. Maybe just a slightest mistake can also change your answers in that. I
हम्म.
did it. My work came pretty good. I was like, ठीक है, इसमें मेहनत की जरूरत नहीं है. And I will say data interpretation and logical reasoning also was an okay thing for me to do. I was not like very good, but
हम्म.
I knew certain improvements will pretty much help me,
हम्म.
because I was like preparing for UPS in between. So it comes logical reasoning, a lot of questions come over there also. So it did help me from that. But the thing which was I did not, I scored like minus in that quantitative amplitude, the person which people say mathematic to be precise.
हम्म.
So I knew कि I am on a level की work done है, sorted है अपना.
हम्म.
DILR कर सकते हैं, बुरा नहीं
हम्म.
है,
हम्म.
but quantitative is something I need to work a lot. So if I have 5 hours to prepare, I will get like 45 minutes an hour for my work. So you have to understand the pattern which is good for you. Because with the
हम्म.
general knowledge, if you are able to do it, what knowledge you have right now, so you will be, I think you will be able to do the similar kind of a thing in that paper as well. And
हम्म.
there's nothing to take a pressure on. People take a lot of pressure. I know they are very good when they solve mock paper or give test, but when the D day comes for them, they get little nervous or they start thinking too much. You don't have to think too much. 4 options, answer is there on the screen. You just have to find the answer. That is the whole game. You have to do it over there. Find the answer for yourself. Answer, you don't have to think also. It's not like a rocket science, you're thinking something. Answer is on the screen. Out of 4, one has to be there. The chances are 25% you will get it correct, right? So do it from that perspective. And if something is not coming together, don't waste too much time. Timing comes on the screen. over
Hmm.
there only, so you don't have to worry about कि मेरा watch यहाँ पे, don't do,
Hmm.
just be relaxed over there. So that is how I divided my time. So let's say I was preparing for 4 and 5 hours, I was giving half of my time to quantitative amplitude. That was
Hmm.
my thing, because rest of the thing I can manage, but that half of the time I have to devote to something which I'm pretty weak. I'm and to get a good IIM or FMS, or people go for Jamna Lal also, or XLRI. They're different tests, but all together have a similar pattern, right? We know that. So if you're aiming any of that, give like half of your time, which is your weakest portion, because since that's the weakest portion, don't think that it will not affect you. It will really affect you over there. If you don't get a sectional cutoff, I was grateful. I'm grateful that I was able to clear like sectional cutoff for more, like 90. It was 90 above for everything. So sectional
Hmm.
cutoff is something that you have to really work hard. I know people who did very good in WAC, very good in DILR. They're like 99 percentile and all in that. But when it comes
Hmm.
to quantitative, or maybe for WAC also, people who are from a Hindi medium background, or maybe people who don't think much, they say पढ़ने में अच्छा लग रहा है इंग्लिश, पढ़ने से नहीं होता है. You have
Hmm.
to look for a reasoning why you're choosing that particular answer, right? कि हाँ
Hmm.
फ्रेज ऐसे कॉम्प्रिहेंशन पढ़ने में तो ठीक लग रहा है, यही आंसर हो सकता है. दे तुक्केबाज भी है, तुक्का हर
Hmm.
बार नहीं लगेगा आपका वहां पे. सो
Hmm.
डू इट इन अ वे कि आपका एम हो कि मैं सेक्शनल भी पार करूंगा. देन पीपल से कि यार हमारा 99 परसेंटाइल है, वी आर नॉट गेटिंग एनी कॉल्स. आपका सेक्शनल तो बेकार हो गया ना, कि आपने
Hmm.
99 उधर ला दिया और आपका.
We have ऐसे cases a lot जहाँ पे they are
हाँ,
not able to get the best ABCs even after getting a 98 plus.
98 plus, right? I know people who have a 99 percentile also still not getting any single blackie call. It's
तो
because of a
आपको क्या लगता
sectional.
है apart from CAT score, what made you stood out as a candidate for FMS or for the best colleges you have just named, apart from the CAT score?
See, CAT score is just a beginning for you if you have done
Hmm.
pretty well in that. And
Hmm.
there, see, I am a diversity candidate as well. Being a woman, I will
Hmm.
say I will take that credit point for myself. I will not lose it out saying कि नहीं नहीं लड़कियों नहीं. I will take that. I'm pretty happy for that. Since
Hmm.
they are encouraging women to come into it, they are
Hmm.
providing a kind of support needed for that. That FMS also did. Like
Hmm.
5 percentage, they give it to you for that.
Hmm.
So if you are for interview, you should have at least have basics. Since there are two stages. One is you get a good CAT score. You did pretty well in that.
Hmm.
And my only advice, if you are preparing for CAT, stick to one source. आप एक ही यूट्यूब चैनल से पढ़ें, आप एक ही बुक से पढ़ें. आप खुद से अपने अजम्पशन की मेरा दोस्त इस बुक से पढ़ रहा है, मैंने उससे पढ़ लिया, वो सर बहुत अच्छे पढ़ा रहे हैं, उनको सुन
कंफ्यूजन
लेते
और
हैं.
ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है.
हाँ, आपका जो एक पैटर्न रहेगा ना, एक फ्लो रहेगा समझने का, चीजें आप वो नहीं समझ पाओगे. आई सी लॉट ऑफ
Hmm.
पीपल सेइंग कि नहीं, मुझे उसने ये बुक बताई है, मेरे सर ने मुझे ये बताई है. आपने कौन सी बुक पढ़ ली थी? मैंने यूट्यूब से पढ़ाई की थी. आई डिड नॉट टेक एनी कोचिंग, नथिंग. आई वाज लाइक कि आई नो, सिंस अ पर्सन नो इंग्लिश दे कैन डू कैट. आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस.
वाओ.
आपको
तो यूट्यूब का भी नाम बताना चाहेंगे जिसको आपको क्वेश्चन आता होगा ऐसा कुछ,
नहीं,
तो आप
देन
रिकमेंड करना
देन
चाहते
इट
हो
विल
उनको या
बिकम,
नहीं भी तुम?
नहीं नहीं, then it will become bias for people, because it had worked for me, might not work for them, right?
आई एग्री.
Because some teaching method people like it in a similar, like the a person teaching me was connecting to me might not connect to other people, and I have
Absolutely.
no intention of promoting anything. so
Awesome. Got it.
so people
So
need
how
to
is
find their
life?
calling. Huh?
So how is life in FMS? I mean, you are living the dreams of so many already. So how is
Yeah, that
life in
building of
FMS?
dream.
Experience कैसे है?
uh if you ask me, after cat I am pretty, like my life has changed altogether. I was not able to, since when people say na that inner circle kind of a thing,
हाँ हाँ.
that is something you get after doing MBA, I will say. I was doing law, I was talking to a lot of good lawyers altogether, but the
Mhm.
kind of thing, let's say the kind of litigation life will work for someone else, it was not working for me. When you talk
Mhm.
about law or maybe any other things. But coming to FMS, I got an understanding of varied things, which I had no idea how things function in a world like this. When I was preparing for my interviews and all, I got to know a lot about lot of companies, HUL के क्या प्रोडक्ट हैं, क्या कंपनी क्या करती है, and you get an understanding of a things like a daily shampoo which we are using. I have no understanding कहाँ से आ रहा है, क्या है, बस आ रहा है लगा रहे हैं ऐसा.
Mhm.
बट when you then you become so conscious कि अच्छा ये ब्रांड कहाँ से originate हुआ, ये किस कंट्री में है, क्या हो रहा है, are they ethically sourcing it or not. So you get to know about lot of daily life kind of a stuff, which I think will be pretty, since I want to bring out one thing over here. Since for an interview part, be very vigilant. Look your surroundings so much. Absorb thing. रट्टू तोता मत बनना ठीक है. It might help to a certain extent, but they don't expect anything extraordinary out of you. They just want to see what kind of a person you come up, whether you will be a good fit for a corporate or not, whether you will be a good fit for the company or not, and for an institution as well, whether you will be contributing to the institution in whole. Some people might say ki, okay, I had a very like a very excellent sort of a profile, but I did not make it through. And someone average kind of a person, which they term, I will not say anyone is average, everyone have a different calling and liking for it, and he made it. People make such kind of a comparison. That is all wrong. You are going, your comparison is making you weak. A person might have said something which they would have liked. There are process like extemporaries there. So I still remember, I got like, where there is a will, there is a way. So are we there? Like, I think you're freezing.
Very
Okay.
famous saying.
So
I'm sorry, I
that
can hear you
was
well.
my.
So you were talking about a famous saying, there's a will, there is a way.
So I got that famous quote in my extempore for FMS. I still remember it. So that was my quote. I got it, and I got 30 seconds to think about it. I could not understand anything, how to start it and all. I just started. Recently, I watched Maji the Mountain, the movie. Darsat Maji, I quoted that, saying, since a person, out of desire, a love for his wife, went on cutting a mountain to make a way out of it. So I can say, where there's a will, there's a way. And that is a saying I want to conclude to myself also, ki I am from a non-engineering background, and not even a normal sort of a thing, I will say BCom or something. But there is a will in me to learn, to excel, to do something better. And I'm sitting right now in front of you as a live example. So these are the little things that will make you stand out. Otherwise, you can start, what happened in there is a will, there's a way. So one has to do like this. No, they are looking something which you bring different for them, right? So prepare for your extemporaries with example. I still remember one of the guy quoted Will Smith movie about that trading happiness,
Pursuit of happiness.
pursuit of happiness. I don't remember exactly what he did, but he quoted something of on a similar line. The reason we know how, because when we are taught by professors quote these examples. So they quoted this example of mine. They said we really like it. The different kind of a thing a person is bringing to the table for you. A person can generally go around saying, okay, there is a will, one has to be determined, one has to be this, one has to be that. Relate to yourself, make them understand what you have gone through, why you deserve to be there, and how hungry you are for it. So that is something you have to prove in interview. Just don't go like saying this. No. If they ask you about any marketing company, tell them how that journey came to you, how you got to know about that, how you got introduced to the product. They asked me specifically what kind of kajal I'm wearing. So I said I'm having Lakme kajal. So I could have simply said, okay, Lakme is in this country, Lakme do like. No, I give them a history about it. Since my eyes look pretty small, I thought maybe kajal will make them stand out. I was on a budget, I was on that. Lakme was a thing that came to me. So you have to make it look something different, something extraordinary for other people. And this is like a very basic general conversation, right? You're telling them about your budget thing, you're telling them about your eyes, and also it make you feel that you're a vigilant kind of a person. You're self-aware also. You see around the environment also. Then they ask me what are the different competitors you look around. I said, these were the competitors, but out of pocket, I cannot pay much. So these are the things. So that is the only advice. Make it interesting. Make it feel like that you if you know something, you do little research about it. You come up with like not like random sort of a things and कि आपने किसी की बुक पढ़ ली compendiums पढ़ लिए or some sort of a textbooks पढ़ ली आप ऐसे इंटरव्यू में आ गए. Even when the biggest I will say take or break is tell me about yourself, that we call it TMAY in MBA language. Work on that really good. These are the like 1 minute that will either break your profile or make you a stellar profile over there for them. So if you're telling someone about yourself, make them feel that you're there. You are there, you're interesting for them, and you will do pretty good over there. So they should be interested in your profile. Since I was a lawyer, then into investment, came all together, आई कुड हैव जस्ट सिंपली से आई वाज अ लॉयर एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट किया, मन लगा तो कर लिया, जॉब मिल गई इसलिए कर लिया. डोंट मेक इट लाइक दैट. You might be doing something else, you might be doing something different from your league what you're looking. And my biggest question, the hurdle was ki why from law to MBA, it doesn't correlate anyway, right, altogether. So please work on those things rather than focusing what questions other people are giving to you. So find for yourself, ऐसा
And
पूछ लिया
navigate
तो.
it. So, आपका tell me
हाँ.
about yourself. कोई इस तरीके से weekend position I have saw a lot of videos जिसमें वो tricks बताते हैं that how can you create some suspenses in the tell me about yourself,
No.
and the interview gets navigated through that.
See, there are things that work around. See, I'm telling the same thing. It might have worked for a candidate who would have said in a manner, but tell me about yourself. You're saying something. Please be aware of every single word you say over there.
Mm-hmm.
That is my advice. I'm not sure because some people say, "Tell me about me." हमने we said lot of things, but they did not ask anything to us.
Mm-hmm.
Might not find it interesting. I'm saying.
Mm-hmm.
So,
True.
and some people say, "Ki I just said one word and tell me about yourself," and they ask me the whole history about it.
Mm-hmm.
So if you're telling something, please be very aware that 1 minute intro is something. If you say even is or what is might be an article and all those things, please be very aware of it. I will tell you from that
Mm-hmm.
perspective. Don't look it from saying, "Ki, Arey, I said my whole of conversation went around my Ramjas college." I was in Ramjas and they asked me, okay, Ramjas, do you know it's like oldest college? Yes, sir, yes. And recently when I was graduating from there, they were celebrating 100 year and all. So you have to tell them because they also know the story of Ramjas because it's just in front of that, right? So you have to
Mm-hmm.
tell why it was created. I started telling that it was for the because League College like Hindu and Stephen came together. So something has to be done for poor children in that British era. So that's how Kedarnath came up with the idea of Ramjas. So they were like, see, it might be just a college, but you have
Mm-hmm.
to be aware. You have to tell them that if you have done something, you are pretty aware of it. Just don't be blank over saying, at least add some value to it. Maybe tell
Mm-hmm.
some professor name, maybe tell something which you learned over there, maybe a single topic also. Let's say you
Mm-hmm.
learn some subject in college. You are not
Mm-hmm.
getting anything, talk about the subject, please. But be
Mm-hmm.
vocal, talk about it. They might say, okay, acha, subject, you're quoting some subject because that then direction goes in such a manner, right? Let's say
Mm-hmm.
my favorite subject was contemporary politics.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, I really liked in doing it in Ram just because Professor Das made it very good for me. I could understand the topics and so make it like something you love doing over there and you did it well. So they might ask something about contemporary politics so that
Mm-hmm.
you are bringing them from your weak zone to stronger zone. आपको
Mm-hmm.
सब्जेक्ट तो पता ही है, अब उसके बारे में
Mm-hmm.
पूछेंगे. Then तो you gain
Mm-hmm.
confidence in interview, right? So
Because that
all,
is eventually your
yeah,
area
your
of
interview.
the thing. Mhm. So what are
Your
your
area
future
of.
plans like? आप क्या करना चाहते हो आगे?
I will be, see, I will love to join corporate since placement are going around and all.
Mhm.
So I
Mhm.
would like to work for a company. I
Mhm.
was working on a social startup also. Like since a
Mhm.
lot of people have helped me in my journey, I will like
Mhm.
to give it back to the society. I have an idea since kindness don't go waste. If you help someone today, something will come back to you for sure. So
That's true.
my plan is to earn a substantial amount of money for myself for a better livelihood. I will say that's the whole idea of upgrading. People doing MBA is to either break a cycle what they are experiencing right now or to upgrade their lifestyle or be in that be better, I will say, not even a circle, be better. Who don't want to get better? I will. Even I
Mhm.
want a better life. I want a better car. I want a better clothing. I want a better everything better for me. And
Mhm.
there's nothing called as best. There's better only. There's always improvement, scope of improvement, right?
True. True.
So that is the whole point. I will join corporate. I will work very hard over there. Whatever I
Wow.
can do for the company.
I'm sure
And
you will crack it, your dream company with the dream profile, because
yeah,
you work so hard and you're so clear about what you want. So our best wishes for that. And one last question, little off topic. How was your experience with KBC journey? How was it like the feeling of it when you are there? What preparation goes before that? Like, all that.
I mean, when I got a call from KBC, I was
Mhm.
like, कि, prank call hai? That's the first thing you get in your mind. It happened once with me before. Prank call हुआ है मेरे साथ. And that was my friend actually, but that's a
Mhm.
different story. So
Uh-huh.
I got a call. They said we
Mhm.
are hosting an episode like Leader Under 25. Since I told you I do a lot of work in a social welfare thing. I was
Mm-hmm.
working with Ministry of Youth Affairs and all those things in my graduation, and I was working for women empowerment, women hygiene in rural areas with an NGO. So I was fortunate enough, I will say
Wow.
that for KBC also, I think, see what I will say, what like CAT required, they need a person who is willing to learn, who's willing to do good, and who's doing better and is not dejected by the idea कि अरे मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता ये नहीं. So same goes with KBC also. Along with knowledge, you need to have a profile also, I will say, because my segment was a special segment, leader under 25, if you see,
Mm-hmm.
and I just turned
I will
25.
definitely watch just after this because I couldn't find the link of it on your LinkedIn profile, hence I could not see it,
Uh,
but I'm going to
I
join
am
now.
I'm not active on LinkedIn much. It's like I have to do a lot of things. I will start because since I have this problem now. If I open some message, I have to reply them like fully length. Then that's the reason I uninstall it, saying कि नहीं भाई, let me do it after post all these things. So what happened over
Okay.
there? Along with
Mm-hmm.
your profile, they give me a call. They do a
Mm-hmm.
lot of verification portion for what you have done, and
Mm-hmm.
there will be rounds also, subsequent round also to check your knowledge. So they were
Mm-hmm.
like 6 7 round for me. I was with the idea, I will tell you, very honest idea. Until unless they don't ask me money, I will give every round. The moment they ask me
Good.
money, since the, and you have this idea na कि if it's a KBC or a Sony Entertainment, they will be sending mails from a domain name. Let's say XYZ at the rate KBC XYZ season
Mm-hmm.
60. Anything which has a domain name, which gives you a credibility also. They were sending
True.
me mails from Gmail. And I was like, kuch to dicey hai. I'm not getting it all together.
Uh-huh.
So there were multiple rounds for me. They were like, and they do a lot of verification about what kind of a work you have done, what kind of profile. I am into a lot of like cyclothon. I do a lot of cycling and all as well. And so they wanted to bring it out to a people. So see, KBC is little bit about inspiring other also. Since I am little on a heavier side, but I used to do a lot of cycling. I was doing a
Mm-hmm.
lot of other works also. It's not like being limited. People say, na, ki, Are, we have done only engineering, we don't know about history and all. Don't be like that. Don't be that sheep, okay? And that. Know about everything. You might know little, you might know very extra in your own domain, but know about everything altogether. So they will take a lot of rounds for you. They will do a lot of verification check. And yeah, they sponsor your trips and all. They give you hotel, flight, and for your guardian also. I took my sister over there. So my sister has a blast, I will say. She was the
Mm-hmm.
happiest. She was like, तुम मेहनत करो, तुम मेहनत करो, मैं
With the nervousness, anxiety, and lot of preparation, but she must be having blast. Obviously, she
हाँ,
had nothing else to do.
I'm getting stressed how I will go on hot seat because there are other
Mm.
contestants as well for me. And she's like, हाँ होटल में खाना बहुत अच्छा है हाँ. I like the shower over there. I'm going in Bombay. I'm enjoying, and that ran pretty long because Amitabh sir has a lot of date in between. So that thing went for like 10 days for me. And when you go on set, it feel really unreal. Like I used to feel that audience is being paid over there or something, or is it like their own people? Nothing happens over there like that. They are called from an app, people register over there, they don't take any money and all, and audience change after every episode as well. The set
Uh-huh.
was huge for
ताकि
me, the
सबको
limelight.
opportunity मिले to actually experience that
Ha,
thing, and
see,
that is the reason they were
and
changing. Mm.
one thing I really learned from KBC is the zeal of Amitabh sir, I will say. Being at that age, he's shooting like 5 6 hour continuously. There is no retake, nothing in that. Whole episode gets shoot in one take. You cannot change anything, you cannot do anything. I used to feel कि अरे cheating करते होंगे कुछ करते हो. Because since being at home you can do
हाँ,
anything, you
like
can
the
judge.
general public हम कुछ भी सोच सकते
हाँ,
हैं.
you can judge being at home saying कि अरे क्रिकेट बहुत बेकार खेल रहा है, इससे अच्छे छक्के मार सकता हूँ मैं. But when you go over there you realize कि ऐसा नहीं होता है वहाँ पे. And
True.
it got shot in like 6 hour altogether. Sir asked you about your journey, what you have done so far, and then there are different plays and all. Those sponsorships and all those things happen. But I get Sir was shooting 2 episodes, and after that, he was giving 1 hour to the audience coming over there for signature, for pictures. Altogether, he was working for 14 15 hours. And that really inspired me. I'm like, मैं तो 5 घंटे में थक जाती हूँ. And he had that patience also to talk to everyone, every audience coming, taking a picture with him, giving him books to sign around and all. He don't get tired, he don't get irritated. So I think that is something people
Wow.
can also
Mm.
inculcate in their life, that यू नीड एंड पीपल माइट हैव एन ओपिनियन सेइंग कि अरे पैसा मिलता है इसलिए करते हैं। मुझे पैसा मिलेगा मैं फिर भी इरिटेट हो जाऊंगी कि सब लोग मेरे ऊपर चढ़ के फोटो ले रहे हैं, मुझे बोल रहे हैं कि मेरा हाथ पकड़ो ये करो। दैट डजंट वर्क लाइक दैट। ही हैव अर्नड अ नेम फॉर इटसेल्फ। सो but still being
True,
such a big
very true.
celebrity, sir was doing it continuously, and he comes well prepared. He read your profile very well, he asks you a lot of good questions about you, and that is something you will feel very different in KBC, I'm telling you. Being an audience, आपको hot seat तक तो बहुत डर लगता है, and he cracked lot of good jokes about you or anyone over there. He was saying यार इधर audience गलत जवाब देगी, उधर अच्छा जवाब देगी, and he make it very fun element and all together for you. You might be all nervous over there कि अरे कौन सा question आ जाएगा, मुझे नहीं आएगा शायद, but we're like नहीं 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 आपको आ जाएगा, आप कंप्यूटर जी आपके सामने करेंगे and all the see the conversation that he carries on. I think if Amitabh sir host any of the interviews of Blackie, I'm sure every candidate is getting. The way he makes you comfortable over there, the way he makes you feel fearful less over there. It's like he's a delusion of fear altogether, saying ki, no, he will do it. And it's not like an ending. Went with an idea. First, I was not going only. I was like, since you have this social stigma or like taboo also, na, ki, I can go. But what if I did not win over there? Then people will then there's a
Judgment.
जनरल पब्लिक
Mm.
ओपिनियन सेइंग कि अरे हम जाते तो 10 लाख तो जीत के ही लाते। नहीं होता
Mm.
है ऐसा वहां पे। आई 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 लाइक you might say कि it's very easy for people to judge, and that was a thing that was really hurting me. As I was telling same thing to my sister, what if I don't win? She's like, अरे I will give you money, just go on the seat, okay?
Experience
I
के लिए
want
हाँ
my clip to come on TV, okay, that I
हाँ
am saying something and I will use
हाँ
in my office altogether that I went to Amitabh sir asked me something and I was over there. So like तुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा, मुझे डर लग रहा है। Like अरे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, कितना 50,000 तो जीत लेगी ना, कुछ तो जीतेगी ना। Rest whatever you are
कितना जीते
aiming,
थे आप
हाँ, whatever you are aiming for your startup, I will give it. So my aim was to get 25 lakhs for my startup, social tech. And see, again, I don't know, people might say manifestation, or maybe I was telling myself I will be in 25, 25. Because when you keep on repeating, it's like a revision to you also, right? So people say manifestation don't work or something. I don't know how it works or not. But for me, it's like I keep on repeating and I went to 25. I got it for my startup.
wow
So
that's crazy yeah
that's like when sir asked me saying ki, okay, then that question for 50 lakh came, though the right answer was right because it was my own domain, but I had no lifeline. I was like ki, I don't want to lose this money because that is not
yes
my own money. I could have taken risk on my own chance saying yeah, answer to pata hai sir ki sir, no, I'm satisfied. I came with a target of 25 lakh. I'm taking the same thing for my startup. I don't want to lose this money because this can help a lot of people altogether. And especially my startup is working on a disabled people, PWD, or people, senior citizens. So that was my whole idea because a lot of people have helped me. I might not be able to help the same person altogether, but a different sector of people. So I went over there, 50 was also, and when still people saying, 50 तो सही था, खेल सकते थे। मैंने बोला आप खेल लेते वहां पे, मैं नहीं खेल पा रही थी।
ठीक
So
बात
that's what I'm saying. I
lot of
was
things
looking,
goes into that no सामने
हाँ,
वाला तो सिर्फ एक एंगल से बोलता है या सोचता है उस टाइम पे
लाइक अरे इतना पैसा कर लिया, आपको तो क्या टेंशन है, यू डोंट नीड अ जॉब। पीपल आई विल से डोंट लिसन टू पीपल, डू व्हाट यू फील राइट फॉर यू, just you know that you will make through. If you know what you want in your life, you will make through. Don't juggle between things saying कि मेरा दोस्त तो ऑडी में घूम रहा है, मैं मारुति में घूम रहा हूँ। Maybe your Maruti is the best, maybe the Audi is not as comfortable what he is having. He might be experiencing lot of things altogether. You might upgrade to a better G wagon, might not need Audi only, right? So believe in yourself, believe in something, because I was looking for funding of my startup. I was not getting it all together. And I got it from a platform. See, so things work in a magical way for you, right? And I was
yeah
just looking for amount of 10, 15 lakhs, but I got a better amount. I got a better recognition for my startup. A lot of people connected me for the same thing later on. So it lot of help that I have received so far. So I will say the same thing. People who are preparing, and don't be fearful saying कि मेरी प्रोफाइल बेकार है, मैं अच्छी नहीं हूँ पढ़ने में, या मैं अच्छा भी नहीं हूँ पढ़ने में, मैं बहुत ही एवरेज किड हूँ, मैं ब्लैक ही जाऊंगा कि नहीं जाऊंगा। Black is acronym for top IIMs and all. Whether I will go for FMS,
Bangalore
anything. See, if you're getting in your life, and one thing a person has to, if you get an opportunity, please hold to that opportunity. I had a doubt in my mind. Maybe if I have done this much good, I can wait next year for Ahmedabad also. And I will say I did not, because I was thinking, because Mecca, Ahmedabad is a Mecca for everyone. They wants to go it like कि अरे
Mm.
माता वैष्णो देवी के मंदिर जाएंगे या Mecca जाएंगे. That is Ahmedabad, one has to go over there, right? So
Mm.
that was the whole idea. I did not take it. I was pretty skeptical, but then I said FMS, I'm gonna go for it. The
Mm.
journey in FMS is pretty good. It get little tiring because you have to learn a lot of things. You have to compete with engineers over there. But try to find your positive about it. Maybe you can be an average student, but since you come from a different kind of a background in your studies, you can do better in case competition is one of the way to earn money, I will say. The companies pay you very good amount of money for winning them, sponsor you very good trips and all, give you a lot of goodies. Who don't like goodies, freebies and all? So do
Mm.
that.
Yeah.
I was able to, since I knew my weakest point could be my academics altogether coming into MBA. I started working on things which I know I can do better than engineers. Try to find that niche for yourself in MBA, be it sport, be it something you're very vocal about it, or very good with PPTs, very good with product. Find something that a person cannot compete with you. That is my advice. So coming to MBA, don't feel कि अरे हमारे तो grades खराब आ रहे हैं, कंपनी कौन लेके जाएगी, कंपनी लेके भी नहीं जाएगी. These are secondary things. You have whole 2 years for yourself. Please work in those 2 years. I had no idea how to make PPTs when I came in MBA. I was like कि क्या है क्या हो रहा है, I have no idea. Again, there is lot of help altogether on internet these days. Okay,
अब
I
तो
started
AI आ
learning
गई
on.
तो now तो you don't even need to know a lot about how to make good PPTs.
हाँ, that is there, but lot of AI PPTs don't work. You also need to know how AI can work in your favor, right?
That's true.
You can have multiple ideas from AI कि अच्छा AI gives like this, the structure of PPT looks like this, maybe I can make it like this. And lot of companies ban AI, so my advice, don't go for AI. Learn in the initial Microsoft PowerPoint, that is PowerPoint and Excel. These are the two skills you really need to learn from starting. One is PowerPoint, another is Excel, because that will all help a lot. Lot of people struggles in summers because of the same reason. They are not able to convert PPO because they have been making with AI, but company ban it altogether. And then again you come on PowerPoint, and PowerPoint is all blank. You have to learn a lot of features. So invest 2 months learning PowerPoint, and I'm sure your PPTs will be much better than what AI is doing for you. You can have an idea from AI. I look like this, structure look like this. I can add more like this. Maybe I'm leaving on certain parameters or element in my PPT. Learn that. Explore your MBA altogether. Do try to learn new things. Don't be like a close mind person कि नहीं पीपीटी तो मेरा काम ही नहीं है करना, या मुझे तो एक्सेल ही नहीं आता है, मैं मार्केटिंग का बंदा हूँ, मैं इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं करूंगा, मैं फाइनेंस नहीं पढ़ूंगा, या मैं ऑपरेशंस नहीं पढ़ूंगा. You never know, you might start liking it.
Hmm.
Don't go with a closed mind. Go with the thing that this is like a new chapter I'm starting altogether, and I will keep on writing new stories every day. So
Hmm.
write new stories, learn about it, and when you go for case competitions or any sort of a competitions, and the kind of perks you get, the kind of networking you're looking to talk to leaders and all, it's very pretty different. And the kind of prestige you earn in your college also, people then start teaming up with you saying, "Arey, can we make a team? Can we do that?" So that's all a person need in life, right?
That's
So
true.
that is a person need to
Validation.
do. Believe in yourself, do lot of co-curricular activities, try to do lot of quizzes. I still do lot of quizzes. I recently went to Tata Crucible also, so that episode will also be coming again. So be aware. Don't be like कि अरे ये तो this competition is for finance, I'm a marketing guy. You never
Mhm.
know, you might do very good in finance also,
Hmm.
because the thing that has to click is a person sitting being a judge, and you and how you connect to it. That's it. Maybe a
True.
person can understand better language in a marketing the way you're explaining finance to him. Maybe not in the way it understand finance. So do well in that case. Don't be inspired by, let's say ki, okay, she has done this or he has done this, so I will do this. Maybe you will do something much better than what you're aiming for. And
Hmm.
if you
Right.
get
Right.
any IIMs, any, I will
Mhm.
say Blackie, FMS, Jamnanal, you're aiming anything, please go for it if it fulfill your purpose. Even I have seen people from tier 3 colleges also doing pretty good. That again, I will say, because they believe in themselves. Maybe college might not be thing that is helping me. I can convert very good things from case competitions. That is one of the opportunity. Apart from placement, you get it, placement help
Hmm.
you get in your college. So maybe extra. Someday you went in some leadership talk, one a leader liked you, they schedule your interview, boom, you got a job over there.
Mm.
See,
True.
you have to be
You have to
open
just
to
keep,
anything.
yeah, keep getting those, keep grabbing those opportunities. You might not, be
Yeah.
expecting. आपको नहीं पता केबीसी से आपको लग रहा होगा शायद अभी कि you have just got the money. अभी you said कि you have also got a lot of help around. You might get something, turning point of your life just because somebody observed you in the show and maybe reached out to you for something you didn't expect कि ऐसा भी कुछ हो सकता है लाइफ में. I think things happen this way only.
See, these things will keep on, and it's like a feather in my hat only that people now feel that I'm a credible person. At least I have a certain
Absolutely.
amount of recognition. But I will say one thing that has changed. It made people believe that anything can happen.
Mm.
When people see na saying ki, oh, you went to KBC also, and they're like, acha, we thought that show is fake or something. I'm like, no, you have to believe things can happen with you. So that is, people then understand ki no, whatever happening around the world, it's not something, because I have tried KBC pretty long, different quiz shows and all also, but never worked for me. And it came when I was having the best time. I got into MBA और like life set हो गया, life set हो गया, अब तो कुछ नहीं करना है, पढ़ना है अच्छे से, बेस्ट करेंगे. So that is how it works. So that kind of a firm belief, it make me feel ki, because see, I was looking investment from VCs and other people, investors and all, but I got it from a very different source. No one would have
Mm.
ever imagined in totality, right? Even I would not have
True.
imagined that it will come from a different source, and source like this. I was seeking help from Ministry of Youth Affairs and all, but not from them. So
Mm.
anything happen, maybe
Awesome.
you're aiming for Ahmedabad, you might get Harvard, you never know. So
Yeah, absolutely.
aim for better, aim for big, and stop only when you feel that you are satisfied in your life. If FMS makes you satisfied, be in FMS. If being in Harvard makes you that, be over there. Don't stop until you are satisfied in your life. That is the whole
Wow.
point of it. If you feel that your job is giving you the kind of satisfaction, don't do MBA also, then I will say.
Mm.
Whole point is that you are internally happy for what you are doing in your life, and you know that you sleep sound at night saying कि कुछ नहीं भाई, कल ऑफिस जाएंगे, खुशी खुशी ऑफिस जाएंगे, ये नहीं सोचेंगे रेज्यूमे अपडेट कर रहे हैं, कंपनी स्विच कर रहे हैं, माय बॉस इज डूइंग दैट, और मे बी आई एम लर्निंग सम स्किल, दैट skill is not helping me, or that skill is not doing something for me. Don't do
Mm.
like that. If you love something, do it, and don't stop until you are satisfied about it.
वाह. तो
That's the only
चांदनी
thing I will
बहुत ही
conclude.
मजा आया और मुझे लगता है कि one person is who is just giving what needs to be done and what needs not to be done, but some coming from someone जो खुद उसके लाइव एग्जांपल है, जिन्होंने वो रियल लाइफ में एक्सपीरियंस किया है, नेविगेट किया है, that brings lot of value to the audience. So I loved it, Chandni. I think you're based in Delhi only, तो हम कभी whenever there is an availability we can catch up for a cup of coffee or whatever works. And when you
Surely.
start your startup, my channel is always there. If you want to do something with the channel next time, we would love to have it to make the thing reach out to the masses or the audience.
Always.
I mean we have little, but हर चीज का कुछ ना कुछ effects होते हैं जो कि आगे जाके बड़े बन सकते हैं. So we're really open to it and love the conversation.
Just one thing, since you are saying your audience is pretty little, I think 16,000 people is a big number in my opinion. Okay, if you inspired one person also from your channel, your life is done.
Yeah.
I mean, like, don't think it's a small number. You see 16,000 people in a room, you will understand how big that number is. And if you are able to bring certain amount of confidence, certain amount of things, or maybe a change, a singular change in someone's life, and I'm thinking you're doing a great job taking example from a person
Thank you.
who's experiencing it and really helping a lot. Because see, I'm saying that you do have a lot thing to give to you. You just need to find the right thing that will help you, because some talks might like someone doing it or someone has already done it, or giving a different sort of a thing will align with someone else, and someone who wants to get into maybe a engineering sort of a person will not relate with me, but a person from a non background can relate with me saying कि okay, if she has done, why not me? She's also average, mathematics बेकार कर रही है, मैं भी बेकार ही कर रहा हूँ. So you need to find common grounds also ना. So you're doing pretty
But I
good
also
job. And
feel that आपको भी YouTube वगैरह पे कभी भी टाइम मिले, maybe once in a month and all, you must try. You're very good in conveying your ideas. मेरा भी ऐसे ही स्टार्ट हुआ था. I went to Mr. संदीप महेश्वरी शो जहाँ पे कुछ 1.5 मिलियन व्यूज आए थे और 5,000 कमेंट थे. And 90%, they were asking me, you should also come on YouTube and there's like things like that. And then after 6 months or so, I thought, let me start. I had no idea what I'm going to make on YouTube. I just thought I will try some random stuff. And then
See,
eventually I found my niche, as you say.
people just need to understand, need to know experiences of different people. That is when we were talking about, and I said, I need to talk. At least
Mhm.
even up one right person find the thing they're looking. I think I will be able to give what people have given to me. Always believe in giving others. Be kind to others. Someday people might not be kind to you. Don't think maybe someone has not been kinder to them also. It's just a particular phase for you. Because I was literally crying when I was doing my internship also. Like, this is not something I deserve. I deserve better. I deserve better. When you know that calling now, so you know it over there, and I'm open to any questions come up to people. Please direct them to me.
So
And
we'll
if
put
they
your
feel,
LinkedIn link in the description.
yeah, that will do. And if they feel like something which I can, maybe I may not be able to come on a video or something, maybe I will be able to record it for them or send it all together. Maybe we can do a Q&A if people feel like that. Okay.
Sure.
So I just want to tell people that anything is possible in this world. They can do anything. If I have a zeal to make this world
Mhm.
spin around on my finger, if I have that kind of a zeal, I will do it. Okay. So if CAT is your game, if any of the competitive exam is your game, please find yourself that you're a right fit for it. Right fit comes only when you're not able to sleep at night about it, thinking of it altogether. You feel zone out about it, thinking, I have not made it to CAT, I have not made it to this IITs and all, I have not made it to UPSC. Please believe in yourself. That is one thing. Then second, do a thorough research. And third, leave something on God also. आप सारी टेंशन लोगे तो कैसे होगा? Right?
Right.
Maybe. So that's
Wow,
all,
wow.
and it was really nice talking to you. I am
Pleasure
hoping
is
that
ours.
it helps some people. I will be really looking
Absolutely.
forward to meet you over someday in
Yes.
Delhi or somewhere I come
Yes, yes,
across.
yes.
Okay. Thank you
Yes,
so
yes,
much.
yes, definitely. Thank you so much, Chandni, for your time.